So we are here again, and I'm here with my fine gentleman over here. On my right, on my left, there is yellow and there is white. But it's not a competition, though. You know what happened. See now, what do you do?
Okay, actually, I'm a student and I'm also an entrepreneur.
You're a student and entrepreneur. See, what about you?
Yeah, I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher. Okay, that's very. Okay, so we are talking about money, and now the youth believe that there is no genuine way that people can make money, right? If someone will be say is watching both 5,000 and stuff. So in your line of entrepreneurship, right? How do you make money?
Okay, so making money is very simple. Just like going for fashion. You have to go with an equipment to fish. You just don't go empty-handed. So as an entrepreneur, what I do is I use the resources available or around me to generate it into money. Example is I'm into liquid soap production and a lot of businesses.
Okay.
So what we do is we get the equipment, we produce the liquid soap, we bring it to customers, then make our money. Yes, it's just simple.
Yes.
For making money there, you have to get something to get something. It's just very simple like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So did you get your own capital to invest, or did you ask for investors for?
Okay, so initially I had to start with my brother, my mom, and some other friends.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
so-
that's how you started
Yeah.
from the basis, from the start.
From the basis.
So no money didn't come from anywhere.
Oh, nah.
You
You can start it with your own self. Once there is determination, okay. Oh, mommy, I want to start this. Once it's a nice idea, okay. So mommy will give you maybe 300 cedis. Daddy will also support you 300, friends 100. By the time you realize at least you have 1,000 Ghana, which is good to start any business in Ghana here.
1,000 Ghana.
Any business in Ghana here you want to start.
Guys, 1K.
Yes, you can start any business. That one that I can assure you. Because for you to even get a complete car, you need to get a tie. And a single tie is not costing more than 500 Ghana cedis in Ghana here. So with 1K, you are getting 2 ties, which you can sell to earn profit, to go in for. So the more you are determined to increase the money, the more the money increases. It's not about how huge or how big the capital is. It's just about the determination and the one handling the capital. It's just as simple.
Wow. Just 1K. I'll let you help me with something. Let's say with a 1K and your local soap business, okay? Run me through how you run with the 1K to make the production and the finals that come in, like the revenue that you get. Anything, maybe 1%, 2%.
Okay. So let's say my general income starting the business was 100,000 Ghana, which is 1K. So 1K, when you go to the sellers, they have the things in bulk. That's our thickener, our basener, salt, and whatever we use in doing the production. They have it in stock. So you go, they sell it to you for a quantity. So maybe I go for a quantity like 500 cedis. I'm going to get the perfume and everything in it, 500 cedis.
Yeah.
Making it wisely, without wasting it and not involving friends. So be shake.
Okay.
At least you can make a profit of 200 cedis. So assuming I'm making 2 times of that, I've made a profit of 400 cedis, which can equally next time make me 3 times of what I started.
Okay.
So it's just simple.
Okay, so it's like compounding, kakran.
Yeah.
Let's say every week you're making a 200 cedis. At the end of the 4 weeks,
And one advice to you is that when businesses, you start with the people around you. You don't need the larger number.
Okay, that's how you started.
Yes.
Wow.
So okay, automatically my mom will wash. People in my area will wash. Those on campus will wash. Okay, so in my hall, I make liquid soap. You just kind of find a friendly vibe with them. You give it to them. Once they find your product very good, and liquid soap, once it smells good, you after wash is good. That's all. They'll patronize you to their friends. Just as simple.
Wow. This is a serious entrepreneur that you are seeing over here. So in your line of duty, in your line of entrepreneurship, what are some of the challenges, maybe 1, 2, that you face? We know it's capital, but you can still mention it. Yeah.
Okay.
But what if someone wants to do? What is some of the challenges so that they can learn and get prepared?
So some of the challenges will be how to get customers.
Okay.
Because Ghanaians mostly will love foreign goods than the local one. So sometimes getting people to patronize your good will be one of the most challenging. And secondly, you might go out of cash. Because you produce the item or quantity for the first time. It's like people won't patronize you. By the time you realize, now you feel for you so yes.
And they don't pay for it. They'll buy on credit. They'll buy on credit. Okay.
So, like it will be a challenge. But once you are determined, you are focused.
Yeah.
You all count this problem, and once you encounter the problem, automatically there is a solution. Because whatever we are doing as entrepreneurs, as business people, somebody has also started. And another challenge too is that in our industry we don't get help from above.
Yeah.
Assuming this, what I'm doing
okay,
right now like this, I can teach my friends for free.
Yeah.
For them to also do it and earn the living.
Yeah.
They'll also teach people, but we come in here, we are not interested because me no be obeso me more to make the thing stand or something. So that's another challenge.
Yes. So senior, it is what we know currently what is happening. We know that things are going to be what is going. So I want to know what motivates you, okay, to get up and say you are going to this customer to sell to. So basically, it's about you selling to people, right?
Yes, please.
I don't want you to put your strategy out there how you get a customer, but basically, what motivates you to go and sell your product? Because someone will say, "Person me for business, I go to and buy the thing, but they go and buy the thing and the things are in their room. You don't get to sell them. So what motivates you to get up and say, let me go and sell my product?
Customers are very annoying. But one of the key things I'll tell you is that it all starts with friendly relationship. And one thing that motivates me a lot is that there is nothing, absolutely nothing on this earth that no man can do.
Yeah.
So I believe that regardless of how difficult or how hard it is, every man can do it. So once I feel in this aspect, does not mean when I move to the next customer, I'll fail there. That's always my motivation. That if I fail here, there is a next step I need to journey. That leads to success, not failure. That's my motivation.
Entrepreneurs. So last but one question: discipline or motivation for you?
So I'll go for discipline. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go for discipline over motivation because motivation just keeps you very disciplined for a moment.
Okay.
But with discipline, it sustains you for a longer time.
Yeah.
So most entrepreneurs, we are motivated by these people, as you said, washing 5,000 bowls, selling cassettes.
5,000 bowls, eh?
Yeah, selling cassettes and stuff. But with discipline, you know that, okay, this is what I do for a living. So I need to stick to it. No matter whether rain or shine, I'm sticking to it. But with motivation, or to do 5,000 plates, maybe I will do 7,000. So once we do 7,000 that motivation is not working for you. You are going for a different course. But with discipline, you stick to one thing and make sure that thing works for you. So always discipline over motivation.
Yeah. Thank you very much. That's the camera. Look into the camera and advise the young ones that want to start business and they don't know what to start with. 1K, guys, 1K.
Okay. So my advice for we the youth is that businesses, there are a lot of businesses. Whatever people have failed in, people have made money out of it. Look in your locality. Don't try to go outside your boundaries. Look within your area. There is something that human beings, we need a lot that people are not doing there. It could be selling of water. And trust me, don't be ashamed of selling water. People have built mansions selling water. Get a shop. Get it in badges. Maybe you can't carry it. Get it in badges. Let people come. Be like their distributor. At least you are going to make a lot. We all survive on water. People survive on food. So look within your boundaries. There is something, one most important essential need of human beings that somebody is not doing. Just embark it on it. And I promise you, with 100 Ghana cedis, you can achieve that kind of dream you want to do.
Entrepreneurs decrease it to 100 cedis now. Thank you very much. Let me move to teacher very small. So, teacher, we know you make money by teaching, right? What motivates you to go and teach?
Actually, teaching, I don't have motivation for teaching. No.
Oh, so you have side business that you are doing?
Yeah, I have side business. I'm a designer myself.
Oh, okay.
I'm a designer. I do flyers, print t-shirts and all those things.
Wow.
I have so the teaching, I didn't go in because I like money.
It's a country, like
I love teaching.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
I love teaching.
Okay,
and what you don't love, you can't do it.
You can't do it.
And you, for some time, you just a short period because you don't love it. You just leave. If stress you, when it stress you, you leave.
You leave.
When small challenge come, you leave because you don't love it.
Yeah.
I love even though doing other things. I love it. That is why I'm still in the teaching.
Oh, Charlie.
So
you are part of the very good ones that help the kids. Some of them they'll bring them bombarding homework. The teachers they don't know what they have taught the kids.
So you have to balance it. Sometimes people ask me, how am I doing this?
Yeah.
Sometimes you come home, you are tired as a teacher. Somebody's also calling you. My design has not come. My logo has not.
You have to finish the design
before you sleep.
And the time it takes.
Time is before you think through, and it has to. It's all about discipline, as you were saying.
Okay,
discipline yourself.
Okay.
By this time, I'm supposed to do this.
Okay, so
if it's that time.
Let's take it from your graphic design aspect.
Yeah.
What's some of the, you already mentioned some, but the most difficult ones that if someone wants to learn graphic design or is starting on, what are some of the hardest thing there?
For me, I would say the hardest thing is branding.
Okay.
Yeah, it's branding. Branding needs a lot of thinking because somebody wants to
It's
start
a mind game.
Somebody wants to start a company. You
Yeah.
have to logo, and the design has to be catchy for people out there to come to that. If you don't have the mastermind, it's like you thinking up for him. You're thinking for him.
Just say what you need, man. That's what you need.
Oh dear man, oh no.
Okay.
Oh no,
Okay.
he's counting on you to make the thing like
Wow.
he have it. But you have to make
Doesn't know how
it,
to
produce it.
visualize
Yes, you have it. Until I say, I don't know how they ban or no, I want how. Do know some money a fair.
Lovely. Okay.
Because sometimes there are some challenges you face as a designer and say, oh, can you change this thing for me? I didn't like this one. If you change,
and you being a teacher, you have to go back again.
you have to go back.
So how do you overcome those things? How do you overcome them?
You see, it's like there is challenge in everything you do.
Okay.
Your motivation you shouldn't get angry by these things. It's rather push you. The person wants to push you to a limit, whereby you are going to create something that he likes, and it's all about the customers, not you.
Oh, you are thinking about
it's all about customers, not you. The person is maybe bringing 500 CDs for a logo.
Okay.
Okay, I can tell him that okay, I'm only giving you 2 chances of correction. So if the person said that okay, so the 2 chances to correct this one for me, correct that's all. If he wants to correct, you pay.
Oh wow! So I wanted you to run me a little through your designing aspects. Okay, how you make money, how you get customers to make money. I don't know much into design. Maybe someone also wants to learn design but doesn't know how. After doing the designing, putting it out there.
See, for the designing, the money is in the designing and also in the printing.
Okay.
But when you only do designing, the money will not come as you want it to come. For instance, a T-shirt, when after designing it, it's nice. It has to go to production.
Yeah.
So the person will like, I need 50 T-shirts.
Okay.
50 T-shirts maybe will cost like 1,500.
Yeah.
Plus whatever you want, 2,000. Plus the design, 3,000.
3,000.
So we will call with your printing. It's not going to take that money though, but.
Yeah.
You have to get something out of it.
Your transport
like
and everything.
Everything. Yes.
Okay.
And hey, you will not buy a laptop 7,000 just to do free design. How would you do that?
See, a laptop 7K.
You will not buy 7K laptop where you go do design for free.
For free, yeah.
And one thing about design is that when you begin, people will like do it for free.
Yeah.
Do a birthday fire for me for free.
Yeah.
So can you do a t-shirt for me?
Do you sometimes do for free?
Yeah, sometimes I do. Some people I do for free. My brother, I can't do anything for this. You can't do it for anyone. I will say that I will take money.
Yeah.
Because if he is bringing he's also giving me a portfolio.
Yeah.
So I'll get more designs for other people too. So that let me see your design. I know that I have some designs I did some for free, so I can show it to them. Oh, you are good. So he is also giving me some portfolios to build up my creative ability in order to show people that I'm good.
You are good. That's very.
The essence of doing for free. It's building you
to burden.
But when you are starting as a designer, that is what you're supposed to do. Free.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for working out for us for free because some of us so that's your camera over there. Okay. Tell the people, the young ones that wants to venture into graphic designing, but maybe are thinking it's not productive if there's no money coming out of it.
So one thing I want to say is that it's time.
Okay.
It's time. Yes, because
money doesn't start coming.
No.
Okay,
it
takes time.
It's time. The money you're looking for is time. You might not even get a good laptop.
Yeah.
If I show you a laptop, I said,
I'm up for bro. Guys, I'm up for bro.
So it's not about the good laptop, boys. For us, it's also about also by one times online, spend time online.
Okay.
People are more creative than you.
Yeah.
People have done it before.
You learn their
software now we use to be a creative. Only why any tutorials online say this is how you use this tool in my app. This is how you use this tool in my software. Go there and learn it.
No,
and one thing is it reduces your labor on the work.
Okay.
Because once
you work very faster.
Yeah, because maybe there may be an action in the software. Now more simple. So you have to learn the software itself.
Charlie, they are taking me to another dimension of the graphic. So see that motivation or discipline.
Yeah, always I'll go for discipline.
You go for discipline. So our senior is also going for discipline. Thank you very much for this interview. Do you want to put your social media handles or maybe your brand handles so that somebody wants to reach you?
Okay, so mine is Elohim Perfumes on TikTok. You can follow me for your best perfumes, your best after wash and liquid soap. And don't forget, you do free deliveries on UCC campus. And you pay something penny to get your liquid soaps to live on campus too. Thank you very much.
We'll come for our